Hey you guys, welcome back to another Cooking with CJ tutorial brought to you by the Suffolk Center for Cultural Arts. In today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how to make a healthy alternative to French fries using turnips. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get started. Alright you guys, here's what we'll need. Turnips, 2 tablespoons of oil. Vegetable broth is optional. And then your spices to taste. You're going to need smoked paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Here are your turnips. I used 2. You're going to peel your turnips. Cut the turnip into the shape of French fries. Prepare a pot of water. Add veggie broth to your water. Add your turnip fries to the water. Bring to a boil for 10 minutes. Allow to cool, then add the turnip fries to a Ziploc bag. Add ingredients into the Ziploc bag and mix well. Add to your air fryer or oven for about 15 minutes. And here they are. Enjoy, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.